You're not lazy. You're just stuck in a cycle that's draining your brain. Give me 68 seconds. I'll show you the fastest fix that top performers secretly use. Step 1. Your brain resets every morning, but most people destroy that reset by checking their phone right after waking up. Instead, the first 10 minutes after waking up, do this. Get sunlight, drink water, and write down just one priority. Not 5, 1. Step 2. Start your day with a dopamine ritual, not scrolling. Music, a cold shower, or a 5-minute walk sets the tone. Step 3. Use the focus anchor, a 90-minute work block with 0 distractions. Shut the world out. No tabs, no noise. By 10 a.m., you've already won the day, while everyone else is still stuck in chaos. This takes under 15 minutes a day, and after a week, your brain will crave productivity. You just need to rewire it. Now you know how.